Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Chapter, you'll learn about using Lightroom Classic CC to create web photo galleries. Web galleries display thumbnail images of photos that are linked to larger versions of the photos. When viewing a web gallery, you can click on a thumbnail image to see the larger version of the photo either on the same web page or on another page. You can create web galleries in the Web module. To display the Web module in Lightroom Classic CC, click Web in the module picker. Like other modules in Lightroom Classic CC, the Web module shows images from the photos in the film strip, which you can change. It also provides an image display area with panels at the left and right sides. The Web Module Toolbar appears below the image display area, and the film strip runs along the bottom of the screen. There is a Create Saved Web Gallery button above the image display area just below the module picker. The Web module has only one view available in the image display area. However, you can click on thumbnail images in the image display area and a larger version of the photo then appears. The panels at the left side of the Web module include the Preview, Template Browser, as well as the Collections panel. The Preview panel displays thumbnail previews of templates to help you visualize changes as you select settings and options. The Template Browser panel lets you preview and select web gallery layouts. The Template Browser provides a wide variety of pre-made web gallery templates which are divided into 4 types of layout styles: Classic Gallery Templates, Grid Gallery Templates, Square Gallery Templates, and Track Gallery Templates. You can also create and save your own custom templates, which appear in the User Templates folder within the Template Browser. When you hover your mouse pointer over a template name in the Template Browser, the Preview panel displays that layout. Just like in other Lightroom Classic CC modules, the Collections panel displays the collections within your catalog. At the bottom of the left panel grouping, you'll also see a Preview and Browser button. The panels at the far right side of the module are all used to specify and modify web gallery layouts, output settings, upload settings, and other editing options. The Layout Style panel displays the 4 types of web gallery layout styles and highlights the type of layout style currently applied to the gallery. Like the Print module, the options available in the panels at the right side of the Web module depend upon the type of layout style applied to a web gallery. If you click the Find More Galleries Online button at the bottom of the Layout Style panel, your default web browser launches and shows the Adobe Exchange page. The Site Info panel lets you specify information about a web gallery, like its title, author, contact information, and even a web or email link. The Color Palette panel lets you specify colors for web gallery elements like text, page background, cells, rollover effects, grid lines, and index numbers. The Appearance panel lets you specify the image cell layout for a web gallery and lets you apply visual elements like shadows, section borders, and headers to web galleries. The options in the Site Info, Color Palette, and Appearance panel vary depending on the currently selected layout style. The Image Info panel lets you specify which text appears with image previews in a web gallery. The Output Settings panel lets you apply image quality metadata, watermarking, and sharpening to output images from a web gallery. The Upload Settings panel lets you specify upload settings so you can send a web gallery to a server. The options in the Image Info, Output Settings, and Upload Settings panels do not change between the 4 default layout styles. We'll examine the options and features of web module panels throughout this chapter. The toolbar below the image display area also includes several helpful controls for navigating and preparing galleries in Lightroom Classic CC. The Show First Page button lets you immediately display the first photo in a series of selected photos. To the right of the Show First Page button, you'll see the arrow-shaped Show Previous Page and Show Next Page buttons used to navigate selected photos. The Use drop-down menu in the toolbar lets you choose which images from the film strip to include in a web gallery. At the far right end of the toolbar, information appears about the type of currently applied web gallery layout style.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.